Alright. Turn the steam wand off. I'm going to take my wet rag, wipe down the steaming pitcher, and flush the milk out of the steam wand. Next thing that I do is bang out the big bubbles in your steamed milk and swirl it around. That's going to mix in the foam with the steamed milk, and you bang it so you bang the big bubbles out of it. When you do that, you're going to be able to create a nice silky smooth consistency in your milk for your latte.